Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to brighten your eyes on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the camera button to take a photo, or to the library button to select a photo from your gallery. Tap on the retouch button and slide to the right side of the screen until you find this brighten button. Then you should select the brush size. Tap on the brighten button and tap on your eyes, and then you can see how it looks like. You can reset your picture by tapping on the eraser button, and then the changes will be erased. So that's how you can brighten and highlight your eyes with the help of this brighten function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.